Hi and welcome to the Piano Tutorial and Chord Sheet Library. I want to take this time to introduce myself. My name is Bethany and I am the creator behind Simplified Piano. Today I'm going to walk you through how to log in. You should have received an email with your login credentials that set up a password for you. Click on Copy, then you'd log into simplifiedpiano.com/library. It should have a green enabled button here for any product that you have purchased from us. Click Access Now, then you're going to use your password that you used when you signed up for our product. Click Paste and log in. Once you're inside, you should be able to see a search bar here. You could type in any keywords that you want. Let's type in "you say." It's going to bring up any song that has those two words in it. If you see one you like, click on it. And here it brings up the tutorial with printable chord sheet below. Here's where you can watch your tutorial.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Super excited.
You can click on your printable chord sheet right below. It pops up and you can download it to your computer or print. So that search bar comes in pretty handy. The next button is My Profile. Right here you could see the change password. Since it pre-set up one that you wouldn't recognize, you can paste that in here. Type in a new password, retype your new password you want to use, click Change. There's some other options in your profile that you can edit if you would like, and you can also change your picture here. Click Save when finished. Sitemap just simply is going to arrange the songs that we have done in just a real long version here. So if you want to easily see songs at a glance versus kind of more landscape up on the top, that is where you go for that. The next button is Support, which is going to instantly pop up an email for us if you have any questions or concerns around this library. The last button here is just to log out. Okay, so how this is set up in the inside. Here you can click on any category. This one is considered the most recent tutorials that we have done. We try to put out 3 a week, and in here you will see the most recent 2 months, January and February. These are organized by the most recent tutorial that we have put out. So "O Come to the Altar" in this instance is the most recent tutorial we have created all the way back to the beginning of January. Once January is done, then we will organize those songs into the correct category to the right. And then you will see the next months come in here as well. These are not alphabetized. The rest of the categories are alphabetized by first name. So you can go to the key of C, click on 10,000 Reasons. You can then click on your tutorial.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
And then you can have the printable chord sheet right below. It'll also show you a little check mark by each song that you have already logged into and checked out. That kind of sums this up. If you have any questions, like I said, just go ahead and click on the support tab here to the right, and we would be happy to help you. See you inside, and I'm super excited for this to be a one-stop shop location for our chord sheet library.